Are you looking for the best hand planers? In this video we will look at some of 6 best hand planers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Bosch 3¼ hand planer with carrying case. When it comes to electric planers, there are few models as well-rounded as the Bosch hand planer. With a 6.5 amp motor capable of up to 16,500 RPM, this tool is capable of smoothly and quickly shaping or shaving down any kind of wood. The planer comes with a number of added features including an attachable wood shavings bag, a guide fence that can be mounted on either side of the device, and a carrying case for easy portability and storage. Number 2. DeWalt hand planer. For amateur woodworkers or weekend DIYers, this DeWalt hand planer is a great option for semi-regular use. The planer comes with reversible blades that can be sharpened, as well as a sturdy exterior construction to help improve longevity and reduce the need for any replacement parts. The electric planer is also capable of up to 34,000 cuts per minute at a depth of 1.5 mm for speed and efficiency. On top of this, the lightweight design makes the device easier to maneuver and it's not as hard on your wrists and arms to operate. Number 3. One electric hand planer. When looking at lower-cost planers, many lack the long-term quality that makes them worth buying. The one hand planer is one of the few choices that maintains its low price tag without seriously compromising on quality. Built with a parallel fence bracket and a 6 amp motor, the planer does not skimp on fundamentals. Additionally, the planer comes with a 2-year warranty to ensure you get your money's worth. Number 4. Maka 18V LXT lithium-ion brushless cordless 3¼ hand planer. The Maka 18V LXT cordless planer is, at its simplest, an incredibly high-quality option. With a 2-blade cutter head equipped with double-edge carbide blades, the planer is built for high performance that's still smooth in your hands and on the wood. Furthermore, the device is built with several additional technological features that other planers don't have, like an automatic speed changer that makes adjustments as you work, as well as a Bluetooth feature that syncs the shop vac-like dust collector with the planer, so the collector is always on when the planer is in use. Number 5. The Maka 18V LXT cordless planer is, at its simplest, an incredibly high-quality option. With a 2-blade cutter head equipped with double-edge carbide blades, the planer is built for high performance that's still smooth in your hands and on the wood. Furthermore, the device is built with several additional technological features that other planers don't have, like an automatic speed changer that makes adjustments as you work, as well as a Bluetooth feature that syncs the shop vac-like dust collector with the planer, so the collector is always on when the planer is in use. There are no added bells or whistles on the Craftsman hand planer, but it doesn't need them. The electric planer provides you with all you need for most woodworking projects at an affordable price. At around £7, the device is also lightweight and easily maneuverable for dead control. The planer comes with 10 adjustable depth settings and a 6 amp motor for a quality mix of power and precision. Number 6. Metabo HPT 18V multivolt cordless hand planer. The Metabo HPT is an electric hand planer that gives you more from its cordless design. On top of the added portability and maneuverability, the planer comes with an on-device battery life display so you can keep tabs on how much life you have left before needing to recharge. Additionally, the Metabo batteries, which are not included, are incredibly long-lasting with compatible options up to 8 amp hours.